Hi, it's April with Main Streets of the World, and we are here to do the Passholder preview for Remy's Ratatouille adventure. So excited. I can't wait to check it out and see the new queue area and see everything in there and maybe get some goodies. So let's go do this. And now we're coming up. We're going to do the Passholder preview of Ratatouille. So excited to see the open area. Maybe we can try a crepe. Absolutely excited. The new area is the Creperie de Paris and the new Ratatouille things. The Creperie is open. That is really cute with Remy and Emile. It's just a cheese plush. That's all it is. Oh, I want one of the Remy vehicles.
They're doing annual pass.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys go on the ride yet?
That is like, we're about to.
Oh,
so excited.
This one's great. So it crawls all over you. So the rat goes over you, the magnet goes under, the cheddar controls the rat. So you can scurry all over you.
That's really fun.
And they can
Wow.
go on the ground too.
Oh, that's
Good.
cool.
Good to freak out cats and freak out your wives when they're working at home too.
That's
I'm
awesome.
like that, but I gotta take advantage of it.
No, that's fun.
It is fun.
Fun.
Touch the screens.
I love these.
I think we need to get one of these.
$15.
What's the new one?
How much is it?
45. But with the discount.
That's not terrible. Or they have do what we're here to do. I am so excited. We're actually walking up to the queue. Look at how adorable that is. Oh my god. And there's Gusteau on top. I can't believe we're actually seeing this. And I'll never see this for a long time, for a 5-minute wait. Join Remy on a 3D ride through a crazy culinary world of Ratatouille.
Look at the Mickey.
There's hidden Remy's everywhere. There's only one hidden Mickey.
There's Mickey's right there. On the side of the
Oh,
tent.
alright.
Yeah.
Inside, they said that there's only one.
Inside.
No. Yeah, look at there's Remy and Emile and Eiffel Tower in the wallpaper.
Put your back.
Of course it is.
For a second, I saw the lights in the air.
Oh wow. This is where you see Mickey. Oh, he's not moving around.
Oh, he'll probably move it.
So he holds the frying pans up for like a second and it makes a Mickey. Oh my god, I love this. Yeah, he's not moving right now.
Please remain seated throughout your adventure with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Oh, and keep an eye on your children.
¿Cómo están, amigos? Soy Django, sí.
This is a 3D ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados durante la aventura y mantengan manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo en todo momento.
Glasses.
Y vigilen a sus pequeños.
Oh, a nice one too.
Good morning, guys.
3D glasses. Oh my goodness. Look at the vehicles. How cute are they? Oh my goodness.
Venez, suivez-moi, Le chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what do you hear? Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
What?
Mais oui, that's it!
Bon travail.
Oh my goodness.
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way!
Oh, this is fun. You can see the wheels.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go! Chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Migo. Au revoir.
And this way, you are always welcome at Bistro Chez Remy.
cute. I love the vehicles so much.
They are really cute. Oh, there's more than we don't have any.
What?
Maybe it's the blue one. We have the gray one.
Oh.
I think there's a darker brown too.
Okay, be sure to grab all your stuff and watch your step as you
yeah.
exit.
I was okay. There were a couple parts I had to close my eyes, but otherwise, I was okay. And glasses in. Don't keep them.
You know what's nice? We'll see how many times. No, you know
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting busier now. What did you think of it?
That was really cute. I thought it was really fun.
Did you like it?
It's like a one and done thing. Like now that I did it, like I don't
I
really
would
do
do
it
it. I would
again.
definitely do it.
Really? Oh, I would do it
I
again.
mean, I don't know that I'd wait like several hours.
Yeah, I wouldn't. It would be like if it was like a 10-minute wait, go for it. But like I wouldn't wait
I love the 3D.
any longer than 20.
I thought the 3D was really good though. Like they definitely worked on that. And it's much clearer than something like Philhar Magic.
Thanks for watching. The ride was adorable. I did feel a little queasy, but I took a Dramamine before getting on. And I had to close my eyes for some motion parts, but otherwise it was okay. So it was pretty exciting. And be sure to check out other Main Streets of the World blogs and podcasts and our YouTube channel. And please subscribe, please like. We'd love to hear from you. So thanks for following along. Have a great day.